Are you good? The long-awaited FMS Smasher, baby. Took a while, but she's here. And I actually ordered the blue one, but I just emailed support, so we'll see. But the high roller, that's what we got. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed and see what it's all about. This is the V2 Smasher, so I guess they've made a couple of upgrades since the Max Smasher that it used to be. I've never owned a Max Smasher either. I saw a lot of people with these online, and they look like a super fun indoor basher. The FMS embossed styrofoam, nice packaging. So this actually came in a box. This was actually in another box, and that box was a little bit messed up, but this box looks perfect shape. So does the styrofoam here. Oh, look at that! It is blue. It said on the box that it was the pink one. Nice. That's a pleasant surprise. Look at that thing. That finish on that paint is almost like a satin. That looks nice. Alright, so we got 4-way battery charger. Looks like we've got a deep well 4-way for these deep dish wheels. Some O-rings. I think they say you can make these shocks oil filled. We've also got our spools so we can lock the front and rear diffs if you want to. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's see. So it's very hard to gauge the size of this thing in all the videos I've seen, and I will say I thought it was going to be bigger. Granted, this is a 24th scale, so I mean it's an SCX 24 right here. Granted, it's a little upgraded, but I mean, you see the size comparison here. Wheelbase is pretty similar. Like, Smasher's a little bigger on the wheelbase. Definitely wider, but that's probably these deep dish wheels here. These wheels are looking nice. Does look very good. I mean, wow. The detail in that body, that long bed. Portals look good. These big, squishy, soft tires. I don't think there's any foams or anything in there. They do feel vented. Alright, so the body clip on these ones. I'm glad to see they've switched it up a little bit here. So on the Power Wagon, you actually go, I think the front is outward and the back is inward. Looks like on this one, both of them are inward. So let's see how much easier it is to get this one off here. Squeeze. Oh yeah, that's way easier. Way easier than the Power Wagon. So we got some lights already hooked up here. Battery, nice and compact, held down by that rubber strap there. Big honking 2-speed transmission. And we've got our 130 size motor. They do make a high-speed motor for this thing that I'll probably get. It's like 15 bucks on Amazon. But we'll see how it does out of the box. The Lunar Ramblers. Oh man, guys, I'm excited to play with this thing. Really excited to take it off some jumps. Be a good change of pace for the crawlers. Got a QC thing there. Let's see. Let's get the rest out of here. So we've got a transmitter. Really tiny transmitter here. Like a carbon fiber finish on it. And That's your gear selector there. Bind, steering trim, throttle trim, reverse. Looks like the only thing we need to get this thing going are some AAAs. Give me just a second and I'll be right back with those. A little wonky, it doesn't really stand up on its own. Maybe it's meant to lay like that. Works out. A lanyard here. So, let's see. Get this battery just set up. See how easily this body goes down. That's a little easier than that Power Wagon was, guys. Oh, there we go. And the front too. There we go. So, you see these tiny clips. We'll see how the longevity of them is. They hold the body very well. We'll see how they work once we start rolling this thing over and jumping it and everything else. But for now, it looks ready to roll. Our on-off switch is right up here under the front. So, bind button turns your headlights on. I like these headlights. They're more of an old school halogen look. You know, a lot of these newer trucks are, even my Chevy TRX4M, you know, the Chevy's supposed to be like a 76, but it comes with these bright white LED headlights that, you know, they don't look time period correct or anything but this. Not to mention, this is my favorite Ford body style. I mean, this is just a tough looking truck. If I bought one in real life, this would be an almost exact model. The long bed, the regular cab, that just looks tough to me, man. Nice and smooth servo. Big servo saver on the front there. So, looks like we're in second gear. First gear. Slow crawl. Wow. That's much better than the the SCX 24s, guys. I mean, out of the box. Wow. This thing has got an incredible slow crawl. Wow. FMS, you did well on that. For sure. Alright, so then we've got neutral and second gear. And you can still, I can still slow crawl second gear, but then we've also got that punch when we need it. So this thing's probably a little too quick to do any more testing on the table, guys. So let me throw a jacket on. It's about 30 degrees outside, but we'll do some quick test runs for you guys and let you see what she's all about. Here's first gear crawling. It's got a really impressive slow crawl, guys. Let's try second gear. thing's pretty quick. It's not really got the power to do a wheelie yet, but that high-speed motor, I mean, I've seen all the videos and stuff I've seen make this thing just way faster. So I'm happy with it. I got this thing a really good deal, was marked down quite a bit, and it was one of the cheapest trucks that I own, actually, in terms of how much I paid. But man, the Smasher, very fun, very cool. I can't wait to do some jump building and make me some cars to crush and do some cool videos with it. So stay tuned, guys, and thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that bell so you can keep updated on the courses that we're going to be building and all the new trucks.